Welcome to J&J's test video of S1LE221. This is a 2001 LX470. Has 259,000 miles on it. Runs fairly well. Either has a bad transfer case or a bad transmission, but it doesn't do anything when you go into gear, and I'm not messing with it because it's kind of sketch. Radio works. Power antenna does not. We'll put some checks on here. Heater control works. Turn it on here. It turned on earlier. There it goes. There we go. Power mirrors work. Power fold works. Suspension pump's trying to move. AC works. Rearview mirror. What else? The motor's good. Japanese built 2UZ. Window regulators are good. Window switch is good. Air conditioning blows cold. That's nice. Suspension pump is trying to pump. The rear, I think, went up. The front is not having it. But out here, everything's not too bad. Nice and quiet. Belt was changed at 195 to like 60K. Always put a belt on it. It was almost a decade ago. It doesn't move, so that's it. Give you a walk around. Bumpers are kind of beat up. Has some old chrome wheels on it. They have a Lexus center cap. I don't know if they're OEM or not. Just a little rusty and just, you know, Chicago area. Just served its time. And as always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered. Thank you.